Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we introduce the Mark Super drilling milling machine. This compact machine for drilling and milling offers a really wide range of applications and is therefore suited for all workshops and training departments. The machine frame is made of grey cast iron and has stable adjustable dovetail guides in all axes. The practical base with plenty of storage space is delivered standard with the machine. The table offers a lot of clamping surface and has a long travel in the x-axis. The infinitely variable TV 1000 feed motor enables uniform and efficient milling. A two-stage main spindle motor and the gearbox running in an oil bath provide a wide speed range. Ground and hardened gear wheels and shafts guarantee quiet running and a long service life. The milling head is height positioned by a motor and can be swiveled 45 degrees to the left and right. With the swiveled milling head, drilling and milling work at an angle is also possible. A precise fine infeed is also possible using a switchable hand wheel. The integrated feed gear offers 3 switching stages. An adjustable stop automatically switches off the feed when the drilling depth is reached. The exact quill stroke can be read off a digital depth display. An integrated tapping device automatically changes the direction of rotation of the spindle when you are working with a tap. The new generation of our standard position indicators rounds off the professional equipment of the machine. With the Mark Super SV, we also offer a variant with infinitely variable spindle speed and extensive accessories for milling and drilling machines. Contact your KNUTH representative today to make an appointment and ask for a demonstration.